Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to organize PDF pages in iLovePDF in 2026. Now let's get started. Organizing pages allows you to reorder content, rearrange chapters, remove pages, and improve document structures. So first you're going to open iLovePDF by going to your browser and then typing in ilovepdf.com and accessing this website. Once you click on it, you're going to be directed to this homepage right here, where you're going to choose and open the Organize PDF tool. As you see from all these sections, you're going to click on the Organize PDF, and then you're going to click on the Organize PDF tool. This is the one right here. As you can see, this is the icon. You're going to click on it. Then you're going to select your PDF file, or you can upload it via Google Drive or Dropbox. I'm going to upload it from my computer. I'm going to choose this one right here. And after that, you're going to wait for the page preview screen. Then you can now drag pages into a new order. For example, I'm going to choose the fourth one to be the first page. You can choose the second one to be the first place, or you can even choose the fourth one to be the last page. Just simply drag wherever you want the pages to be. Now after that, you can now drag pages, rotate pages, duplicate pages, or even delete unwanted pages. And many users organize PDFs for reports, ebooks, presentations, and project documentations. Another huge tip is planning your page order before making large changes. And you should also preview the final PDF before downloading. And once finished, you're going to click on Organize PDF in the bottom right corner. Then you're going to wait for the processing. Then you're going to download the updated document right here. You're going to choose where you want to download it. And after that, you're going to open the document and see it's, as you can see, the order of the pages has been changed. Now finally, organized PDFs looks more professional and are easier to read. And that's it. Now you know how to organize PDF pages in iLovePDF. And if this tutorial helped you, leave a like and subscribe. Comment below the video what PDF feature you want next. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next video.